When the worker is ready to start their job, they simply text "Start Job" and the job location to the system. The system will then send back a confirmation to the worker telling them that their job is booked, confirming the location, the time it was booked from, the frequency of messages they will receive, and the leeway period they have to respond before the system alerts a controller. Controllers can view the active job properties via the secure web interface, which is smartphone compatible. They can see the worker's name, their telephone number, the worker group they belong to, the location they are working, and the start and proposed end time of the job. They can also see the frequency of when messages will be sent to the worker and the leeway period set for the worker to respond. They can also see the messages that will go out to the worker. Within the notes, controllers can view a running status of the job. They can see all the messages sent by the system and whether the message has been successfully received by the worker. They can also view the content of the messages sent back by the worker, which could be used for live job updates. When the worker is finished, they can stop the job at any time by simply texting "Stop Job" to the system. This will close the job and send a confirmation to the worker. This job is now closed without any form of alert. The alert process initiates either if the worker sends in an emergency keyword to the system, or if the worker fails to respond to the overdue message within the designated leeway period. Here, the worker has texted in the emergency keyword to the system. The active job immediately goes into the alerted job section, highlighted in red, and the worker receives back the alert message. At the same time, the escalation process starts and the controller on duty is alerted that a worker is in trouble. The system can send out a combination of phone calls, text messages, and emails to alert the controller. The controller can then log on to the interface to view the details of the job. It will then be over to your organization's internal procedures to check on that worker accordingly, or we can provide a BS 8484 regulated escalation process to fully manage the service 24/7.